Welcome again to Test Maths GH. I know you have come across this question. If we add the solution of the equation below, which number do we get? 10, 9, 5, or 1? So which of these numbers will satisfy the equation that you have given us? I am Felix Texin, your humble math teacher. If you are ready to solve this nice equation with me, let's go. Yeah, so this is a nice question given to us. The question says that if you add the solution to the equation, which number will you get? Which number will you get? Will you get 10, 9, 5, or 1? So let's look at the number that we get. Now, take out the radicals. The radicals here, step by step, or that is one by one. So how do you take out the radical? Good. So when I square both sides now, when I square this, I'll take out this radical. So this one I'm left with 1 plus x plus 6x minus 5 equals to this radical, take out this radical here, so you're left with 2 plus the square root of x. Now we are done with the first one. So now the next thing I'll do here is what? To group the terms. I have constant here, I have constant here. Okay, so 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So I'm going to rewrite this as the square root of x plus 6x minus 5 equals to this one. You're having 1 plus square root of x. Very simple. Again, to take out the radical here, we need to I'll square this one, then I'll square this one. So when we square this, what do you think will happen here? This radical here will go. So now we are going to have x plus the root of 6x minus 5 equals to 1 plus 2 root x plus x. So you see that we have x here again like the first one. So again, I'll take them off. So when you take them off, you are left with root 6x minus 5 equals to 1 plus 2 root x. Again, we need to square both sides. So I'll put them into brackets. Then I'll square both sides. Okay, 2 here, 2 here. So I'll square both sides. So when I square both sides, this radical here will go. Alright, so I'm going to have 6x minus 5 equals to 1 plus 4 root x plus 4x. Good. Right, so now I'm going to group terms here nicely. So to group the terms here, we are going to have 6x minus 4x equals 6x minus 4x minus 5 minus 1 equals to 4 root x. Very good. So what will happen here? Nicely, we are going to have here 2x minus 6 equals to 4 root x. Nicely. So now what I'm going to do here is what? I realize that I can divide both sides here by what? 2. Okay, so I'm going to divide the equation here by 2. Alright, so I'm going to divide the equation here by 2. So watch nicely here. We divide this one by 2. I'm going to have 2x out of 2 minus 6 out of 2 equals to 4 root x out of 2. So this is what I did here, and when I simplify this, we are going to have here to be nice equation x minus 3 equals to 2 root x. Good. So I have x minus 3 equals to 2 root x. So the next thing I'm going to do here is what? To square both sides again, to take out this radical. So here I'm going to have x minus 3 equals to 2 root x. Good. So when I expand this, I'm going to have x squared minus 6x minus 9 equals to, this will take out this, we are going to have 4x. Very good. So I'm going to group terms here. I'm going to have x squared minus 6x minus 4x minus 9 equals to 0. Very good. To solve this, we are going to have, these two will come together to give us, that is x squared minus 10x minus 9 equals to 0. So when I break this one down, I'm going to have minus 1 minus 9 will give us 10, right? So I'm going to rewrite this as, in the short form, I'm going to write this as x minus 1 into bracket, I have x minus 9 equals to 0. That's good. All right. So now our x here, x minus 1 equals to 0. So x is equals to 1. Then when I pick x minus 9 equals to 0, I'm going to have x is equals to 9. Now we have two solutions here. We have 1 and 9, but one of them will satisfy the equation whereby the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, or the right hand side is equals to the left hand side. Checking. So I'm going to use this equation here to check. So I'm going to have x minus 3 is equals to 2 root x. All right, where x is equals to 1. So I'm going to plug 1 here. So 1 minus 3 is equals to 2 root 1. Now what are we going to have here? So 1 minus 3 will give us minus 2. Minus 2 equals to, here we are going to have 2. All right, we are going to have 2. Very good. So now you realize that at the left hand side we have -2, and the right hand side we have 2, which this and this are not the same. The one here have not satisfied the equation, so this one is out. So now let's check with the 9. So let's go 9, where let's check with the 9 where x is equal to 9. So you are going to plug in nicely as we did for this one. So you are going to have 9 minus 3 equals to 2 roots 9. So we have plugged in the 9. So what will happen here? So 9 minus 3 will give us 6. So we have 6 equals to, now here we have root 9 will give us 3. 3 times 2 will give us 6. Wow. So you realize that the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. So 9 have satisfied the equation here. So the number that we get is what? 9. So therefore solution is equal to x is equal to 9. So s is equal to what? 9. Very simple. Test math lesson. Not just the muscles, the brain. If today is your first time of following my lesson, please don't forget to tap on the notification button there to notify you anytime I load a new lesson. Again, like, share and comment if you don't understand anything. Thank you. See you again in my next lesson. Bye bye.